birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Keep it. How old are you now? 18, I told you. 18. Happy birthday. Take the cake. Where's your cake? I'm taking it. Like a monkey. She doesn't. She looks like a princess. Happy birthday, daughter. How many are these? 125. Doesn't look like 125, right? Something. What do you got 200? Hi, I want to lazy. I can't go 50. Give Uncle that.
That one. Yeah, so nice.
Don't open the car.
COVID time.
Peteke, when's that? Good time, calling the temple. Sangubona kahle peteke. Machu. How far? The birthday is covering the tumble. The mother is complaining.
What are you doing to my baby?
I know. Get the baby down.
Come, baby.
Look.
Come.
The mother is natural mother instincts kicking in. Bear. Princess, put the baby down. Nina says a complaint. Wabe bona ukudla sesitop. Nina ufuna umntana. No. Oh.
Papu.
If you let go, we are.
You go put towel. Papu. Hey, let him towel.
Pega la kokubambelele. Awutwe papulile.
Papu. What is one baba?
Ubaba vele kala ndawo. Benita. Bye. Ngena sisiphi ngena. We're going.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own.
guys, good morning everyone. Oh, the journey is over. The journey is over. Currently on my way to the airport right now. Going back to South Africa, and then from South Africa I'll stay about 2 days. Stay today and tomorrow, and then on Monday coming back to UK. Ugh, it feels so real. It doesn't feel like I'm going back, but yeah. Hi there, debut. Sharp. Right, Mo. Say hi. So yeah, and you've got Mommy Dearest over there dropping me at the airport, and you've got AJ here next to me. Sissy, say hello, say cheese. Wow, look at you. Look at this smile. Where are you going? Are you dropping Auntie? Huh? Say Auntie. And you got Mommy over there. Mommy, say hi.
Hi. Hi. We are now tanned. Oh, we look tanned. We tanned. We are here getting vitamin D for free. How is that?
Vitamin D.
Wow. When I come back, I'll be looking at us.
Yeah. No, we're proper tanned, man. But I still like my skin color. I feel like there's no spots, nothing. It's so nice and clear. I've always had these spots before. I don't know. Like, come on. Look at that melanin. Look at that melanin skin. You need to look at that melanin. So, yeah. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.
Amakabalana amapostoli alwasiga zokimanya kuzo tekimaka kupata omukyale wokojama omukyale yawidde president
Should I pack away? Ma? Happy. My, where am I going?
Any of the car park. Any of the car park.
Yeah,
Hi guys, bye bye. Bye. Yeah.
There's good security as well.
Yeah. Come, Sissy, come this way. Pull a queue. Sissy, come. Ukhaleke limthwalo. International. It's the same international or domestic island though.
It doesn't matter. One entry. There's one entry.
Okay. Bye. Bye, Sissy. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.
But to me, it's not fair to attend them.
That was
Be judgmental to one.
I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
Uyakhona uswima? Uyawazi uswima?
Ngiyabhukutsha.
Kuthiwa ngiyabhukutsha. Okay. It's actually not bad, you know. Ooh, so pretty. It's actually nice, Masho. Ah, siya order ndoda ngibani uyaqasa upheka manje. Into zokupheka. Ma? Okay.
Lena amabhodo angifuna ukupheka.
Okay.
Then siza ngapha nawo isipuni la. Zawaphethe nokulele lapha istofu. And then lapha kune remote lapha. Remote le white ekhona. Le black
It is.